target out there and you look directly at it, okay? Now what I want you to do, turn the wheel all the way towards me. Turn, 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 turn. Straighten it out, straighten it out. Straighten it, good. Now I want you to turn that way, but go towards their yard. Straighten it out. Now turn that way. Now keep turning all the way. Park it over here. Let up on that. Now let up on that. Okay? Let up, let up, let up. Push the key. Turn. Now I know that's quick for the first time, but think about it. You just drove. Now, what everything else does, as we increase this will increase your speed. I'm going to get you used to it, okay? So if you come off this, that's going to stop anyway. That's going to stop you anyway, okay? So this weekend I'll teach you how to do reverse and everything else, okay? You excited? You get to learn how to do a riding lawnmower.